Start here. What is a penetration tester?
One of the common or well-known ethical hackers is cybersecurity professionals who simulate real-world attacks on computer systems. By identifying and helping fix weaknesses, they play a crucial role in keeping data and systems secure. If you're interested in a challenging, high-impact tech career, this could be the path for you.
Essential skills for aspiring ethical hackers.
To become a successful penetration tester, you'll need strong computer networking knowledge, understanding of operating systems like Windows and Linux, and solid programming skills. Python, Bash, or PowerShell are especially useful. Familiarity with common security tools and a keen attention to detail will help you spot obscure vulnerabilities. Curiosity and a commitment to continuous learning are equally important in this rapidly evolving field.
Building a solid foundation, learning path.
Start with the basics. Study network fundamentals and operating systems. Practice with virtual labs such as Try Hack Me or Hack the Box to gain hands-on experience. Progress to learning about web application security, cryptography, and common attack techniques. Reading cybersecurity blogs and participating in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions can further develop your practical skills and keep you engaged.
Key certifications to boost your career.
Certifications are valuable in the penetration testing field. Start with CompTIA Security Plus to cover general security principles. Next, consider Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) for core ethical hacking concepts. For hands-on, industry-respected credentials, aim for Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP). These certifications validate your skills and help you stand out to employers.
Getting your first job in ethical hacking.
Begin by building a strong portfolio. Showcase your lab work, CTF participation, and security write-ups. Connect with the cybersecurity community on forums and social media platforms. Apply for junior roles like security analyst or vulnerability assessor to gain experience. Stay adaptable and keep learning, as the best penetration testers never stop improving their craft.